Hello, beautiful people. This is official Dorinda. On this channel, we talk about study abroad opportunities, visa interview tips and tricks, and overall life abroad. If you are new here, click on the subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for joining today's session. So today we are going to explore schools in the United States that are giving free application and also scholarship. Yes, you heard me. Free application and also offering you scholarship. So yes, my friend, I want you to click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell, because sometimes you would not see and the deadline might be passed when you see this video. Click on it so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. There is no doubt that United States has a lot of schools that you can apply to. So in this video, we'll explore some of the schools. Stay tuned, don't go away. Let's get straight to the video. So the first school we'll look at is Marywood University, located in Pennsylvania. We'll look at the application process and the scholarships that are available for international students. The scholarships involve President's Scholarship, Trustee Scholarship, Founder Scholarship, Dean Scholarship, Success Award Scholarship, and a lot of opportunity and awards given to students who apply to the school. Now, application process is simple. Now, you go to the graduate scholarship information given here. Look at the program you are interested in. There is the arts department, the business and managerial science programs, the biotechnology, criminal justice, health programs, and then you can also go to graduate scholarship application process. You click on it and it will give you all the requirement for the application process. Marywood is very affordable. 99% full-time students receive financial aid. This is great news, right? Let's look at the deadline. For international students, you can apply on the deadline is 1st June, which means you can apply today. What are you waiting for? Now, the next school is the University of Akron. It is located in Ohio. For application using the code ZIPPY, you can get free application. Yes, you heard me. Free application. So yes, let's look into the application process for Akron University. So when you go to the portal, you will see that they have written there automatic scholarship consideration. Testing is optional. SAT is optional. No essays. This is great news, guys. And then quick admission decision. The next school we'll talk about is Georgia Southern University. This university had 3 days in February, from February 1st to 28th, 2023. Unfortunately, February is past, but there was no application around that time. You can still go to their website and check the programs they offer and see if they are still waiving the application fee. You never know. They offer accounting, anthropology, Arabic studies, arts with different concentrations, arts education, biochemistry, biology, chemistry, and all that. So go to their website. I'll link it below so that you can check the programs that are offered there. No application fees in the whole of February, and it might be something that they will continue doing. So please go to their website, check these programs, and see if any of them is waiving the applications for you. Now is the time. It's so easy for you to apply. They will waive the application fee for you. So please go to the website. Even though they said throughout February they were waiving it, it could be that they are still waiving it for international students. Now, some programs are excluded from that decision of waiving the application fee, but you still stand a chance. What are you waiting for? Go to their website and apply now. Now, the next school is Central College. Central College has a lot of programs, and applying to this school, the application fee is free and the essay is also waived. My friends, application fee is free and the essay waived. What are you waiting for? There's quick admission decision and automatic scholarship offered to international students. You will get all these listed here if you apply to the Central College University. Now, for first year application, and international application, we'll click on international application. When you go to the international application website for undergraduate application, it says no essay, no fee, 2 weeks admission decision, automatic scholarship consideration. My friends, what are you waiting for? When you go to the application portal, you fill in all your documents, fill in your information, and then you save and continue. When you save and continue, you can now move to the financial aid and scholarship decision. Also, for that application, you can click on international. When you click on international, you will get all the requirements for you to apply to. For international, it says cost and scholarship. The scholarship range from 1,000 to 8,000 and are awarded at the time of application, so no other application is required. All scholarships are renewable each year, subject to satisfactory academic progress. So for Central College, guys, you would have to, once you put in your application, the scholarship comes with it. Now, the scholarship is merit-based scholarship. And so when you go to freshman scholarship, you will see the various scholarships that are offered in the school. Jenny Scholarship offers 1,000. International Scholarship, 6,000, awarded to students who have achieved at least a 3.75 cumulative GPA. Now, international scholarships that are also awarded to students with 3.5 GPA is $3,000. Now, those who had 3.0 GPA will get $1,000 scholarship, free scholarship. Make sure you send your unofficial high school's transcript to admission@central.edu to help them make their decision. It is important for you to do that so that they will make the decision that will help you. Now, the measure that is in this school, you can talk to the school, also talk to them and know more about the program before you apply. But the programs are accounting, actuarial science, anthropology, arts, biochemistry, communication studies, computer science, economics, education, environmental and sustainability studies. There are a lot of programs for you to apply. The next school is the University of Tennessee. The University of Tennessee is also a great school for you to apply to. This school also offers free application. We charge no application as it is written here. So yes, 96% of students receiving financial aid in this school. I bring you all of these schools so that you can make a decision to apply to schools that will give you free application. Before you apply, you don't have to spend anything. Application for admission, graduate application for admission, dual enrollment application. So for the application for admission, when you click on it, it will take you to the portal where you can create an account. Fill in all your details, create the account, choose the whether you are a bachelor's degree, associate degree, or choose which one applies to you. The programs are accounting, biology, behavioral sciences with human service and counseling consideration, chemistry, biology with licensure consideration, and all that. So yes, my friends, I just gave you all the schools that are currently accepting students and giving them free application. What are you waiting for? This is official.render. If you are new here, click on the subscribe button, share this video to all your friends and family, share it on social media, and get people to know that these schools are offering free application fee for international students and offering them scholarship as well. So yes, this channel is about study abroad opportunities for international students, visa interview tips and tricks, and overall life abroad. If you did enjoy this video, then yes, Watch my next video. I'll put the link here, and then I'll put another link on the left side. Watch these videos and be informed. See you soon, guys. Have a good day. Do something new for yourself.